cost advantage vis-a-vis our comparator economies. Vietnam, Indonesia, India, even for some sectors, China. This builds on Bangladesh's competitive costs in wages, in managerial costs, utilities, and so on. A McKinsey survey done in 2018, a McKinsey survey, it presents some of the emerging, at the point of 2018, it had a 7-8 years outlook. It presented some emerging strength for Bangladesh and Bangladesh's global positioning or Bangladesh's global strength, which positions Bangladesh uniquely well in the current geo-economic fracturing that is taking place around the world, which is leading to reshoring, nearshoring, diversion of supply chain, deconcentration from several countries, including China. And Bangladesh position is well positioned based on some of these numbers, according to McKinsey. You see Bangladesh's competitive labor wage. Some say Bangladesh has cheap labor. I don't say that. Bangladesh has competitive and smart labor. And for labor to skill-intensive manufacturing and services around the world, Bangladesh is the go-to place, one of the top 3 go-to place for foreign investors who are looking for reshoring, nearshoring, as well as for deconcentration of supply chain. As you see, Bangladesh, one of the top 3, in fact, the topmost for RMG hotspots. The RMG weight 71% lower than China, or even 24% lower than Vietnam. Bangladesh's geostrategic location, it has strengths for those who are engaged in strategic geopolitical engagement, but it also has strength for those who are looking for regional supply chain, regional investment. It is the connector between the South Asia as well as the East Asia ASEAN markets. If you look at Japan's Big B, Japan's Asia policy, in all of which Bangladesh appears as the most important connector in terms of infrastructure, connectivity for better, seamless market integration between ASEAN countries and South Asia and within the eastern part of the South Asia. But Japan's Big B, the Bay of Bengal Industrial Growth Belt Initiative, is allocating billions of dollars to build energy, road connectivity, broader logistics infrastructure. And if you recall, Prime Minister Kishida back in April 2023 announced that Japan would be working with Bangladesh as well as other regional partners to develop the regional supply chain corridor starting from the Matarbari cluster in the southeast part of Bangladesh. So that presents a great opportunity to tap into broader South Asia regional market. The Northeast India, 2.8% of India's about $4 trillion GDP. From a manufacturing, supply chain, and broader services perspective, there is no better place to serve that market from Bangladesh in the entire South Asia. If you look at